Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence. I was out on an estimate today. This is a cool estimate. I was talking to this one guy, and I always like to find out what people do for a living. He works there, he's at hourly wage, so he called me for his boss. Anyway, so I started talking to him, and he was telling me that he makes jewelry, like that turquoise jewelry. And I asked him, I said, so you got a website? And he's like, well, no, not yet. And I looked at him, I said, well, okay, what about a YouTube channel? You make little videos of this stuff? And he says, no, I don't do that. I'm not really tech savvy. And I'm like, man, it's real simple. Let me show you how simple it is, right? And so I got on my phone, right? And I made a little video of just me talking to you guys. And that's what that looks like right here. John, Fix a Fence LLC, just checking it out. This is my camera on my phone. I've never done this before, but doggone it, man. It's the 21st century, you know, we got to start stepping up here. And I'm with this buddy, this one guy found me online, Russell, and I'm trying to explain to him about YouTube and how YouTube can actually help a business grow like it has mine. You know, I've been on YouTube since 2010, and I'm about ready to retire. I think I'm going to start learning how to define that word, not just spell it, but I think I'm going to learn how to define retirement. And if you guys got any comments and questions about how to spell that word or what it means, you know, to you, hey, leave them in the comment section below, because I'd love to hear it, man. All right, but anyway, that's just as simple as that, Russell. Okay, I could turn the camera and get you in it or not, but I'll just leave it like that. Okay, but I'm just showing you how simple it is. Okay, you know, we twist it around, but the slower you go, the better it is. You don't want to go fast with this stuff, right? Because people get, I mean, I know I get dizzy on watching other people's videos when they're going like this stuff, right? All right, guys, keep smiling. Have a great day. And so after I got off the phone making that video, right, he was really interested. So I had to start explaining to him about, you know, the 1,000 subscribers and the 400 watch time hours before your channel can get monetized and enough stuff like that. But I told him, I said, man, if you do enough of this stuff, right, you start right now, in about a year, who knows, right? You might be all over the place. And so, who knows? You might just have another YouTube channel coming at you. And I told him to call me, you know, and I'll help him out any way I can. The backyard professor coming at you. And my wife called me, so you're like an influencer, huh? Now I'm a YouTube influencer. Go figure, man. The list just keeps getting longer. Anyway, I just thought I'd have fun, man. And so this guy was really interested in it, and hopefully the videos will start coming out on some video channel about how to make turquoise jewelry. Okay, he's a Cherokee Indian, native Cherokee guy from South Carolina, the Appalachian Mountains or something like that, South Carolina. Anyway, so man, it was a cool talk. It was a cool talk. And so anyway, you guys be looking for that. Hopefully, I'm not saying, I mean, that's all up to him. I showed him how easy it was. So anyway, all right, John at Fix a Fence. You guys keep smiling. Have a great day.